Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another Project Thrift 52 video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica, and I'm currently on week 46 of the project. I'm here in Holly Springs, North Carolina, and I'm going to take you into their Goodwill. I'll take you inside, I'll show you around a little bit, and then like always, I'll show you anything that I purchase at the end of the video. I came across a lot of random items on today's trip, and let me know down in the comments what your favorite item was. I always love reading the comments on what you guys like and how and where you would use some of these items. So now I'm going to show you guys what I purchased today. The first item that I found today was a Quartz coffee grinder. It was still in the box and it was $4.99. It seemed to be in really great shape. I cleaned it up and it works great. And now I can enjoy fresh ground coffee from now on. The next item that I found was a really pretty decorative pillow. It looked like it was brand new. And there was a watercolor map of the United States on it, and I really love the saying. It said, "Go find yourself." It was $1.69, so I washed it up and I put it on my daughter Hannah's bed, and it really looks pretty in her room. And speaking of cleaning your items from the thrift store, I wanted to share with you another way that you can use your garment steamer. Not only are they great for neutralizing odors and removing wrinkles, but they also kill germs and bacteria. I like to use mine on any fabric item that I cannot put in the washing machine, like upholstery on furniture, and like these fabric hangers that I thrifted not too long ago. The steamer that I'm using is from Etekcity. It's a portable garment steamer. You can get it on Amazon. I will link it down in the description box. It comes with all of these different attachments here. And what I really love about it is that it heats up in 20 seconds. I really like to use this in between washings on my throw pillows just to freshen them up a little bit. So that is all that I found on today's thrifting trip. I hope this video inspires you to go thrifting because you never know what you're going to find. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope to see you back for week 47.